So this is what we came on the path. Looks like somebody was building a little shelter over here.
Look at this.
Look at that.
This is really awesome.
That's pretty sturdy.
Yeah. Of course, there would be some that would say that this might have been made by the Grassman.
Oh.
And if you know who the Grassman is in Michigan, southern Lower Michigan, and northern Ohio, and it's a smaller Sasquatch.
Oh, okay.
The tallest they get is about 6 feet tall.
What is that blue button?
I don't know what that blue button is.
Is it just a piece of trash?
Oh, it's a painted rock.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Isn't that is great.
Gosh.
So this is basically a shrine. So we're going to put this back, and Sweetie,
Yeah.
would you leave an offering of tobacco and cornmeal? So someone has made a shrine out of this. This is awesome.
Is it mixed together?
You have, yeah, that one is tobacco and cornmeal mixed together.
Okay.
So just a little prayer to whatever spirit.
Many blessings.
Wow, I'm definitely impressed.
Yeah.
It would be nice to think that a Grassman did make this, or that it was made in honor of the
Yeah.
Grassman.
Well, nice. Well, here's something else here. I don't know what this is.
That looks like another stone.
That's another rock.
Justin DT, just let it
Go.
go.
Just.
Just let it go.
All right.
Sweet. Oh wow. This is going to be an exceptional video. Okay guys, we'll catch you back up. Okay. But one more look at the grass shelter. Well, no, I want to get a picture of you too.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, okay. There. And there's the Grassman shelter.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Nice.
So we'll catch